My ex blocked me and unblocked me. What should I do? What should I say? How can I react to make my ex come back to me? Hello guys and welcome to Love Advice TV. I'm Alex Comment, your relationship expert. Today's video is based on a coaching session I just done yesterday. I coached this man from Canada. He told me, Alex, my ex blocked me few months ago and now she unblocked me. What should I do? What should I say? And I told him something very important. But before to share it with you, I want to make sure that you would smash the like button. We need your support and make sure that you subscribe to this amazing YouTube channel. Hit the clock so you can receive all of our videos directly in your inbox. So I was coaching this man and he said, Alex, we were together for 18 months. I know she suffered from the relationship, so she blocked me. And after a couple of months, she unblocked me. I want to do good. I rely on you. What should I do? What should I say? And I told him, what is very important is to take your time. Because your ex, if you act now, too quickly, too fast, your ex will just realize that you don't really have change. You don't take your time, you're pushy, you want to get her back, and so she will not feel confident. Let's wait 10 days. And after these 10 days, you will be able to contact her just to get some news. It's not about trying to reattract her. It's not about trying to be in a relationship with her. Just to talk like two people that are sharing their growth for a couple of months now. And this is an advice that I've worked so much with the people I coached before. So, if your ex blocked you and blocked you after, you know that you will act. But if you act too fast, then at this moment, your ex will not feel confident. It's like you were waiting for me to unblock you, but you didn't change. If you take your time, if you change your profile pictures, if you post your spiritual journey, maybe you're reading books about personal development, do some yoga, some meditation, your ex will realize that you have changed 360 degrees. Not just for him, not just for her, 360 degrees. So he was scared to wait 10 more days because he wants to act, and I get it, right? When we love someone and that person unblock us, we want to act. But this is the reason why a lot of people will fail in the process of getting back with their ex. Because they don't take the time, they are not connecting emotionally to their ex, they are only focused on their emotions. This is kind of being selfish a little bit, right? So I coached him, I reassured him, and he has to wait 9 more days because I coached him yesterday. So in 9 more days, he knows that we can do some actions to talk with positive energy, share what happened in his life, what happened in her life, try to connect as a human being, not in the attraction, not in the get back process, because this is too soon. We want to take our time. Another situation will be your ex that will block you and unblock you right after. If your ex is doing it often, this is for sure a mind game. So your ex is trying to make you act and react without not doing the first step, right? Without doing anything. We don't like it. I don't like it as a relationship expert. So in this case, you will wait between 2 to 3 weeks. Then it's almost the same actions, the same energy, the same behavior, but the wait will be a little bit longer. Why? Because we don't want to react that your ex is blocking and unblocking you. This is not what we want to do. We don't want to show attention to his behavior. That is something very, very, very important. So guys, I know that in this situation, you will be scared. You don't want to do any mistake. It's your one shot. But in reality, your ex have seen that you have changed. That's why he or she unblocked you. That's it. Your ex knows that you're a good person and your ex is waiting for something. And this something is not to get back with you. It's only to be positive. It's only to recreate the communication. Once we have the communication, we will move to another C for chemistry. Once we have the chemistry, we will move for a date because in person, that's where the real attraction is. That's how we end up the process of getting back with someone, by meeting face to face, because the feelings, the love will come up. And this is wonderful. So I hope this video helps you. I know it's not an easy time. I know that you have a lot of emotions. There is two situations. Your ex unblocked you for the first time. Take your time, 10 days. Let's communicate like a friend. Your ex is playing mind games, blocking you, unblocking you. We wait 2 to 3 weeks and we come back as a communication. Same thing, positive energy, just to get some news, to feel if the communication is possible. Guys, if you want to go further, right, I have attached right below a special video from Coach Adrian. In this video, he's telling you exactly what you need to do if you want to get your ex to come back to you, not to chase your ex, because this is too needy. So click on the link and make sure that today you will take control of your love life and the process of getting back with your ex. If you want to go further, just come on our website, withmyexagain.com. You have Coach Natalie, Coach Abby, Coach Priyanka, Coach Adrian, and myself. We are providing coaching because we know how to help you. There is tools, actions. If we implement them, you increase your chance to get your ex back a lot. I will see you soon. Make sure to take care of yourself. Bye-bye, guys.